Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to let you know that I f***ed up. My name is Jeremy, this is Region Automotive, and let's get to work. How did I f*** up, you might ask? Well, I released my last video, which was flipping that 2010 Dodge Journey. And within the video, I have my usual cutaway asking for subscribers. And I decided to tag a giveaway to that cutaway. And the criteria I made for the giveaway was that you had to subscribe. And I was going to do a giveaway from 1 to 500 subscribers. I was going to pick a subscriber, and then I was going to reach out to them, ask them what kind of merch they'd like and what kind of tool they'd like based on their automotive experience. But the problem I had with that after I surpassed 500 subscribers, which is awesome. So thank you guys for that. But the problem I had is I was trying to look at my subscriber list, and I can only see the subscribers that made their subscription list or who they're subscribed to public. So I'm not able to see my first 500 subscribers because not everyone set their subscription status to public. So that's fine. But yeah, I feel bad because I set that criteria and I didn't do my research. So I'd like to propose a new giveaway. So everyone who, or part of my first 500 subscribers, and then if you're after 500, you'll still get a chance to be in the giveaway. So I'll lay out my new criteria now. So pretty much what I'm going to do is today's October 8th, I believe. I'm going to release this video, and then on October 15th, I'm going to do a draw. So to be part of the draw, all you have to do is be subscribed, and then you have to comment on the video. The reason why everyone always asks for comments in the giveaways is because, again, I can't pick it just based off the subscribers. I have to use a software, put the video URL in the software, and then it'll go through and I'll pick a random commenter. So again, if you want to be part of the giveaway, subscribe and then comment. You could comment like, I'm an idiot, I f***ed up, whatever, or nice things, which would be preferable. But regardless, I want to give everyone a chance. And I was thinking about it afterwards too. It's not totally fair if you're like the 501st subscriber. So this way, I'd like to give everyone a chance to be part of the giveaway. And again, the giveaway prize will be the same thing. So I have some merch I've been working on. As you can see, I have my classic Regen Automotive hat that I wear for pretty much all of my intros. And then my wife and I have been working on designing these lovely sweaters. What life gives you lemons is what it says. And it's a Range Rover with smoke coming on out of the hood on a pile of lemons. So that's a fun little sweater. And then we have some stickers as well that we've been working on. So again, my plan is to reach out to the winner of the giveaway. They can, you know, pick and choose a couple pieces of merch they would like. And then also, I'd like to give away a tool because for me personally, again, that's the reason why I started this channel, is to show DIY mechanics or whatever and display and share the community, like everything I've learned over the past like 15 years. I've been working on cars, and I would say probably the past 10 years I've been learning off YouTube car videos. So that was really my main motivation to start this channel, is just to, you know, start a community and just share the experience. And that's also why part of my giveaway and any future giveaways I have, I'd like to give away a tool or a set of tools to help the individual winner get into working on cars. Because again, like I love to do it, so I try to get as many people into it as I can. And again, my plan is with that is I'm going to contact the individual, or I'll contact the winner, and I'll kind of ask them what their level of comfort is, or their level of DIY working on cars, their level of mechanics. So say if you're just getting into it and you have interest getting into it, if you watch the videos and you don't have interest too, that's perfectly fine. If that's the case, I'll probably just give you an Amazon gift card or something with the equivalent value of the tool I was going to buy. Or again, if you're just getting into it, I'd probably give away like a starter socket set or something like that, or a wrench set or gear wrench set or something that I found handy for me when I was first getting into it. And if you're a little bit further along, I'll kind of ask you like your comfort level with diagnostics or the type of work you like to do. Like for me personally, I like doing a lot of diagnostic stuff. So if that's you, then maybe I'll give you like a compression tester for an engine or something like that, or a test light or a multimeter or something like that. Like pretty much what I want to do is match what level of automotive DIY you're into. And again, if you're not interested in automotive DIY and you just like watching it, that's perfectly fine. And I'll give an Amazon gift card for like the equivalent value of what the tool would be. Again, I apologize everyone for misleading you on my last video. I didn't realize I couldn't just simply draw out of my subscribers. So I'm gonna release this video as a new giveaway. So if you wanna be part of it, all you have to do is subscribe and comment on the video. And then October 15th, let's say the giveaway will stop October 15th, midnight my time, which is Mountain Standard. So I'll put that on the screen. October 15th, midnight Mountain Standard. That's a cutoff date for the giveaway. And then the following day, I'll use those URL selectors and I'll do a giveaway. And then I'll give the winner the prizes that we just talked about. Thanks for watching, you guys. I guess this time I can say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, especially if you want to be part of the giveaway. And best of luck out there and happy wrenching. Have a good day.